Assalamu alaikum. Today we know the world is facing a global health battle. And whom are we fighting against? We are fighting against COVID-19. I, Dr. Jobin Rajan Benjamin, specialist in Aster Hospital, Doha, am going to share a few information about COVID-19. What is COVID-19? COVID-19, or otherwise coronavirus disease, is a relatively new viral illness that has hit the world from the beginning of this year. This virus spreads from human to human when we come in contact with contaminated surfaces. Majority of the people suffer from mild to moderate symptoms. However, 1 in every 6 of the contaminated person may develop a more severe form of the illness along with further complications. Among the people who get more of the severe symptoms, more precaution should be taken for people above the age of 60 years, people suffering from chronic ailments like diabetes, hypertension, or respiratory illness. People who are suffering from heart diseases, cancer, or chronic kidney ailments should also be more careful as there is a decline in their immunity. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The signs and symptoms of COVID-19 may range from mild sore throat, sneezing, a dry cough, fever which may range above 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, and as the disease progresses, even shortness of breath. As the severity of this viral illness increases, some of the people may also develop pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and unfortunately, even death. One thing we should understand, people with higher immunity may show no signs or symptoms at all. But this doesn't mean they are not contagious or they don't have the ability to spread the viral disease. Nevertheless, all people who have contracted the viral illness, whether they are symptom-full or symptom-free, they have the ability to spread the virus. What are the treatments available for COVID-19? Currently up to date, there are no treatment options available for the battle against COVID-19. There are no specific vaccinations or no specific antiviral drugs produced till now. Whoever have contracted the illness are treated symptomatically for their relief. Hence we say, self-care and prevention is the best option we have at hand right now. What are the common methods for prevention? First of all, maintaining personal hygiene. It is a very simple step of immediately coming and putting your clothes for washing and taking a bath whenever you reach home after coming from outside. Secondly, use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Please make note the alcohol content in these sanitizers should be 60% and above. A much more simpler and effective method of prevention of this contamination is washing of your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds or more. But one thing that you have to see is you wash all parts of your hands according to the hand hygiene protocol. Apart from this, try to maintain a social distancing whenever you go outside. Also, using of respiratory etiquettes, that is, sneezing with your arms close by so that there is no spread of contaminants into the air, and also wearing a mask when you go outside, and try not to meet sick or infected people as much as possible. So let me urge each and every one of you, please do not panic if you do not have any symptoms or you have not come in contact with any patients suffering from COVID-19, as your negativity may allow the virus to enter into you, asking for more trouble. How to report COVID-19? In case of any queries or inquiries regarding COVID-19, a dedicated hotline number 16000 has been given by the Ministry of Public Health to address all your concerns. Or, in case of any other emergencies, 999 is always at your service. So finally, what can we do? The best way to prevent this pandemic is to stay home. Avoid unwanted roaming outside. Keep distance from people who are sick. Be alert of your personal hygiene if you are forced to go out for any important needs. Finally, we from Qatar government and healthcare sector urge you to please remember taking maximum precautions to protect ourselves and all the other people around us from this pandemic is the responsibility for each and every one of us. So please keep social distancing for our safety and our future. Thank you.